Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and I'm going to go over a couple things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of things that they can actually do to help impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and putting their trust in me to help them out. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can get a chat going and we can see where we can go from there. Or at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free plan I give you and do it yourself. Hey, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is content. So I took your website here and I plugged it into a tool called SEO Quake. And what it does is it shows a lot about businesses. So we can see this is yours. And we can see you have 646 words on the home page. Well, Google actually released their algorithms are hunting for about 1,500 words or more on a home page. Now, the reason this is so important is just because it is just the minimum criteria that you want to meet. So with you being at 646, you just want to add a few more words, probably about 1,000 more to meet that. Now, your number one competition when I looked up Concrete-Milwaukee was this JBS Construction. So if we look at them, as we can see, they have 730. So as you can see, they're not doing much more. But it leads me to my second point, which isn't the content quantity, but the quality. As we can see, their keywords are concrete, construction, Milwaukee, JBS. If we look at yours, you have Zoom, press, concrete, SEMrush projects. So as you can see, there's a big difference. Now, the reason this matters so much is because when people type in Google, Google's algorithms just run those pages to try to find the words that people are searching for. And that's what makes Google the best, right? So you want to make sure that you have good quality keywords. Now, the third thing I talk about today is definitely the most important as it pertains to Google organic listings. And that's going to be backlinks. So I pulled your website here in a tool called Ahrefs, and I can see that you have no backlinks and no referring domains. Now, what a backlink is simply a link from one website to another. So basically another website to your website. Why this is important is Google views it as the authority. So if you have more websites pointing at yours, it must be an important page. Now, that being said, it's all about quality here, just as it was when we talked about content. Because what they want to see is these are going to be relevant sites. So things that have to do with concrete, not just random like pizza restaurants. Now, looking at your competition again, they have a ton of backlinks, a ton of referring domains, and they're driving in 400 clicks a month. So if you could just get a fraction of those 400 clicks a month instead of the 4 you're currently getting, just imagine the increase in business. So in conclusion, we talked about 3 things today. We talked about the importance of content and how you want to have 1,500 words of quantity on that homepage. Secondly, we discussed content quality and how you want to target keywords that are going to help you be found for what you want to do. Thirdly, and most importantly, we discussed backlinks and how you want to have the most sites, relevant sites, pointing at you, showing Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you could easily be number 1 across Google. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take all this information and you can do it all on your own and take the plan that I gave you to make yourself reach the top of Google, and I'm fine with that. However, if you want the most effective route in the least time, then you can go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Thank you.